Just tried it out today?
Yeah, I just started it.
Hell yeah.
I started first kick actually.
Yeah.
It's surprising.
Oh yeah. Smooth like that.
Yeah. We're back, baby. Yeah.
After all winter.
Well, that's awesome news. They all run, dude.
Yeah.
Knew they would.
I was a titch nervous. Well, I finally have it in a real shed now, which is cool.
That's awesome. Yeah, you built a new one.
Slapped a little tin shed on half of it.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah, so I have like a little workbench area, and then the bikes and all my tools are in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Friday, when I was digging, I found that.
Away.
So I had to clean her up.
Oh, you cleaned it.
Dude. I think it's sweet.
So I had to.
Got the hand.
Oh man.
Dude, that thing is fancy.
Yeah.
This thing looks like it's made to go cross country.
It goes 80 easily.
80?
Yeah. Pretty much a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got beefy tires on it, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Kimco people 250 cc's.
Yeah. So kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
Primary gauge.
Yeah.
Not miles per hour.
Dude.
You're the beer carrier now.
Yeah.
We're just gonna fill that thing with
Dude,
ice.
yeah.
Dude, a cooler.
This should all fit in here.
Yeah.
Storage for a full-size helmet.
Oh, that's
as well
sick.
as storage for a full-size helmet.
Hemp shell. That
Yeah.
would be a perfect cooler right there.
That's sick.
You get your ice pack.
You got nice.
Yeah.
And then you got the beers.
Yeah.
We're gonna take that thing apart and put a big bore kit on it. Make
Yeah.
it 80 cc, and then it'll probably go 45.
You got
Hell yeah.
huge disc brakes.
That looks nice.
All that
runs
stopping
great.
power.
Stops great. Just doesn't go very fast. It helps with stopping power.
Yo. Now we have a nice collection of motorcycles everywhere. Yeah.
Well, shit, boys. Should we do it? Should we go to Clinton? Get a cheeseburger?
Yeah, I'll throw some shoes on.
Not gonna ride in the flip flops?
Nah.
Probably a good idea.
Meat cram those toes. Club foot Dan, we call him. Run away.
Dust cloud.
Vibes out and everything.
This is very nice for the bottle boy.
Yeah.
Bottle boy beast? Oh my god. You don't want to like throw rooster tail trying to do some sand shit.
I know, dude.
The big sand tires on it.
Yeah.
Let him go.
Yeah. Woo.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it just chained. No.
Brother.
No. Yeah.
Nice.
Just went over that hump. Okay.
Tighten the tires up a little bit. Did you get it back on?
Yeah. It was just about to get rad too. I mean, what fell off?
Just the chain, yeah.
I think your lights are also on too.
Of course they are. Yeah, they are. We look out for each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we can even head up that road if you guys want to too a little bit.
Yeah, it's fun up there.
Wouldn't be a CT90 trip without a little
Yeah.
dusty breakdown.
Not to bolt off this bridge, guys.
Yeah, it's sick.
Is it worth it, T-Pon, to skid in the sand? Hell yeah, it was.
We might actually have to put it forward and take a link out of this hoe.
That is awesome.
You're right. Oh, but I can't go. Well, I don't know how much forward I can go. I don't know if I got a full link.
Well, every time we take this road, the chains fly off these bikes for whatever reason.
How long is this chain?
Oof.
Oh, we're way Gucci.
Yeah, good. Get rid of all these master links. Yeah. Nothing but trouble.
It's getting real windy. It's just lightning up there.
No one has a highly optimistic.
Okay. Oh God. Still trying to fix the chain, guys. Oh.
Dude, that army training.
Yeah, dude, you're so ready for any weather condition, man. Ah!
Well, time for sexy.
The goggles. Woo. Oh, yeah.